Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by logging into Hoyolab and opening the interactive map right away. Make sure your account and server region match the game you play. Once done, grant the site permission to use location and cookies so markers load quickly. You should toggle map layers in Settings, Terrain, Resources, and Events to avoid clutter. Also check language and filter presets so the initial view shows only what matters to you. This saves time and prevents confusion later. Now you use search and filters to locate targets efficiently. Enter a name or paste X, Y coordinates into the search box and jump directly to the spot. Once there, enable the resource, chest, and boss filters. Adjust zoom until icons are readable. If you plan routes, create custom pins and add notes, then import or sync those pins to your account. This keeps your scavenger runs organized and makes sure you don't miss rare spawns when you head into the game. To finish, plan a clear route by arranging waypoints in order. Export the waypoint list or take a screenshot for quick reference when you load the game. Make sure you sync pins to the Hoyolab cloud so your progress persists across devices. If markers fail to load or data looks stale, clear cookies and local storage, then relog. Alternatively, switch browsers or disable ad blockers. One key tip: refresh the map and reapply filters before blaming missing items. That usually fixes display hiccups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.